Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can sign out of your Steam account. So guys, if you're trying to sign out of your Steam account or trying to change your account but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open your game first, and once you do so, you would be in the store page right here. So you can see all the games that you're being recommended right here, and once you're there, you just need to look at the top right corner where you can see your name. Go ahead and tap there. This is your profile. Now you can see the options like view my profile, your account details, store preferences, view my wallet, change account, and finally sign out of account. Just go ahead and tap there. Let's confirm again, and this way you would successfully be able to sign out of your Steam account. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.